Welcome to part 4 of Run for Rhett Blue Crew on Meetup. This time we're going to talk a little bit about our user profile. So when you type in www.meetup.com, it brings you to a page that looks like this, and it's showing you all the activities available on Meetup within a 25-mile radius of what you keyed in as your hometown. We used Fair Oaks, California for Walter White. And if you want to get to Running for Rhett, well, you can just go up to your profile and then click on the name there, and it'll bring you right to the Running for Rhett site. But today we're going to focus on profile settings and particularly notifications, because it can be a little overwhelming to get all these notifications about everything that's going on, and it may become frustrating to you that you're getting too much. So we're going to show you how to sort of tone it back a little bit, and then you can always add back things as you get used to this new site. So if you go up to, you click on Profile, and Profile just shows you some information about yourself that you may have keyed in. You can add to that as you see fit. I'm not going to go through this today in any kind of detail. You can prowl around on your own. The more important thing is to go to Settings. Under Settings, we're going to come over here, if you look, and we're going to go to Email Updates. Email Updates defaults everything is on for you, and these are updates about anything across all of Meetup, not just Running for Rhett. Our recommendation is that you start with a few of these things turned on, and that would be messages should be turned on, and reply to your comments should be turned on, but we would recommend turning everything else off, and you do that by just clicking on it, so that it's really just the top two things that are on. And then each group that you join, it'll be down here. You can see Running for Rhett is here, and I'm going to click on Edit. And here again, it defaults to everything. And our recommendation is that you click off New Meetup Scheduled and RSVPs. You do keep changes that to meetups I'm going to, and click off comments. Leave it at once a day meetup reminders. That's probably a good pace for starters. And then announcements about specific meetups should be on. I'd click off stay in touch, good to see you, new photos, someone tags you in your photos. And then we would suggest that you leave announcements to members about the group on, and announcements for new conversations off. So essentially here you've said on for changes to meetups I'm going to, once a day meetup reminders to you, announcements about specific meetup meetings, and announcements to members about the group. At this point, that is it for this section, and hopefully that will get you in a position where it's not too overwhelming, and you can always go back and add those things back in as you see fit. One last note is if you have downloaded the Meetup app for your Android or Apple iPhone, you can change the notifications only on that app. You can't change it here, as you can see. So if you did use or do use the Meetup app, which you can get for free at the Android store or the Apple iStore, be sure to change your notifications on that app as well, or you may think that you got it all licked here, and then you get pummeled with a lot of extra notifications there. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for listening. Go Rhett.